How to get fair skin naturally. If you want to lighten your complexion, there are natural remedies you can try to brighten your skin a shade. Since many commercial cream are ineffective or unhealthy to use, turning to natural method to get fair skin is a smart choice. A common use old ingredient, le manjuis, work especially well to lighten skin tone. Staying out of the sun and using natural facial mask will also keep your skin from getting darker. To learn more about getting fair skin using only natural technique, ce step 1. Natural lightening treatment. Macal manjuis rince. Le manjuis is a powerful lightener because it contains alpha hydroxyacid, AA, that act as a natural exfoliant, taking off the surface layer of the skin to expose to light skin underneath. Citric acid in the manjuis also create a light bleaching effect, just like it do when you apply it in your hair. By bathing your skin in a manjuis rince, you can lighten your skin a little for a fair complexion. 1. Squeeze the juice from alpha almond and add some amount of water. You want to dilute it to half strength so it won't irritate your skin or get too sticky. Dip a cotton ball into mixture and apply it to your face, neck, chest, arm, and knee or else you want your skin to be light. Let rinse see on your skin for 20 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Don't go outside, since le manjuis will cause your skin to be sensitive to sunlight. Apply a moisturiser after the treatment, since le manjuis can dry out your skin. Repeat treatment avec for best reçu. Don't do it too often or your skin will become irritated. Rub your skin with raw potato. I believe it to have me lightening property because it contains a high amount of vitamin C, citation needed, hot vegetable hygiene vitamin C, such as tomato and cucumber, ma also work if you don't have a potato handy. Vitamin C is often used in ovet quante skin lightening cream, but you can get better reçu by just applying the potato directly to your skin. Several team avec, the following. Q a potato into thick slice. Rub slice ovet part of your skin you want to lighten. Let moisture dry completely, then rinse it away with warm water. Make a turmeric paste. Turmeric en Indian spice have been used to lighten skin for many centuries. It believed to inhibit production of melanin, which gives skin a darker color. While there no definitive proof that it work, many have been happy with the result get from using a turmeric paste on the skin to brighten it a shade. To make and use a turmeric paste, do the following. Mix turmeric with an olive oil to make a paste. Apply it to your skin and spread it thinly over area you want to lighten. Leave it to sit for 20 minutes, then rinse it away with warm water. Note, turmeric may temporarily stain your skin yellow, but it will quickly wash away. Use pure aloe vera. This soothing substance is known for helping your skin after getting burned, but it also a compound called anthraquinone that gently lighten the skin by removing the top layer of skin cell. Use aloe en ingredient and be of the for cream en lotion, but for best reçu, usant aloe vera plan urget about the of pure aloe vera, 2. Slated aloe over your skin. Wait 20 minutes for it to dry and get absorbed. You can rinse it off, or simply go about your day. Aloe is beneficial for the skin in so many ways that really no need to wash it away. Rinse your skin with green coconut water. With many natural remedies, no study have been conducted to prove that coconut water can lighten the skin. However, individual users have found that using it a rinse can lighten the skin in addition to making it soft and smooth. 3. Get about the of sans perce coconut water, or crack open your own coconut to extract the water. Dip a cotton ball into water and apply it to your face and hot area you want to lighten. Leave it on for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Changing your routine. Protect yourself from the sun. Most of the normal darkening and discoloration of your skin causes by exposure to the sun ultraviolet, UV, ray. If you're extremely concerned about having a fair skin, staying indoors will keep your skin as light as possible. When no possible, protect your skin use SPF sunblock with a minimum SPF of 30. Most dermatologists agree en SPF 15 insufficient anymore. Dangereux UVA en UVB are still reaching your skin. You want 98% or more of the sun to be blocked. Vera at to protect your face when you're outside. Especially in summer. There are so many fashionable at the day, you can also trend setter while you are protecting your skin. Exfoliate your skin affect avec. Do manual exfoliation can really help to lighten the skin, since the process take off the skin cell. Keep in mind that exfoliation only help if your cure skin is darker than your normal skin tone, because it reveals fresh skin tone to shed by the sun. You can exfoliate your skin manually by using a body scrub or face wash with exfoliating particle. To make your own, just add a teaspoon of ground almond or oatmeal to your regular cleanse. Using a scrub brush or a dry brush is a great way to exfoliate your entire body. For your face, use a special brush with soft bristle so you don't damage the fragile skin tone. There are also exfoliating machine, such as Clarisonic, that digalite de pe to thoroughly remove the top layer of skin. Be realistic with your expectation. Skin is already naturally dark is very hard to lighten more than a shadow to, especially using natural method. Keeping your skin healthy by protecting it from the sun, exfoliating and using natural lightening method is your best bet for keeping it on light acid in tone. Remember ta consistency it key, and do your facial treatment several times a week. Exfoliating mask. Le monde mask. Make almond mask. When you mix natural skin lightener with exfoliant, you can create a mask that lighten the skin without taking off the dark top layer of cell and lightly bleaching the fresh skin underneath. Try a mask made with lemon juice, honey, a natural moisturizer to offset le monde drying effect, and a teaspoon of ground oatmeal. Apply it to your face en an or else you want, leave it for 20 minutes, then wash it off. As you wash off the mask, use the tip of your finger to make a gentle circular motion. The ground oatmeal will scrub the top layer of the skin from your face, revealing light skin underneath. If you have a dry skin, use cucumber instead of lemon. Apply a mixture of equal amount of cucumber juice on the face en full body for 15 minutes, then wash it off. Oatmeal turmeric mask. Do an oatmeal turmeric mask. Tiago treatment to if your skin is liquid, since it helps to cleanse the skin while lightening it. Mix 2 teaspoons of oatmeal powder, a pinch of turmeric, and a few drops of lemon juice to make a thick paste. Apply to your skin and leave it to dry. Wash off mask with water using gentle circular motion to exfoliate your skin as you go. Papaya mask. Make a papaya mask. Papaya fruit contains enzyme called papanta help exfoliate the skin, making way for new skin cell to merge. It also contains vitamin C. Use a green papaya to make your mask, since the when the papaya is most concentrated. To make a papaya mask. Peel and slice the papaya. Puis it in a blender and blend it into a smooth paste. Apply it to the skin you want to lighten. Leave it in place for 20 minutes. Rinse it away with warm water. Yogurt or milk mask. Use plain yogurt or whole milk. The both contain alpha hydroxyacid gently exfoliate the skin. Mix plain, sugar-free yogurt or whole milk with a new ground oatmeal to make a paste, then apply it to your skin. Leave it in place for 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water using gentle circular motion. Important to use full fat yogurt or milk, since skin 2 and content necessary enzyme. You can also simply dip a cotton ball into the yogurt or milk and apply it to your skin, without using a atmeal en extra exfoliant. Rose water mask. Make a rose water mask. Rose water a property make it agreeable for gently lightening dark circle and darker area of skin. 4. To make a rose water mask, combine 2 tablespoons of milk with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of gram flour, and 2 tablespoons of rose water. Mix l'ingrédient jeté en appli à masque. Leave it in place for 20 minutes, then rinse it off. Gram flour mask. Use gram flour. Tea agrea exfoliant a gentler null to exfoliate the skin with to scratching or stretching it. Take 2 tablespoons of gram royat flour en make a paste using a mush water unaided. Apply it to your face in an ubar motion. Leave to dry completely, then wash your skin with warm water en pat dry. Tea help remove dead skin cell. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or 2 tablespoons of turmeric for an side effect. If you have dry skin, add 4 tablespoons of fresh cream to the mask. Aldi mask. Use turmeric, gram en rose water jeté. Tea skin repair en lightening on. Take 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoons of gram flour. Mix tea with water or rose water. Apply 10 to 15 minutes, en rinse off. Don't use soap will use